ICT Silver Bullet entry. I tested it out and was shocked by the result. Hello traders and welcome back to another video. As I promised, this month we are going to be more active with videos and here I am. As you can clearly see, this type of entry has gained a lot of popularity and a lot of traders is using it on the daily basis. What's ICT Silver Bullet entry? It's an entry model for day traders created by Michael Huddleston aka ICT. After making my own research, I can break down his entry technique in my own simple way, and I hope you understand it. I welcome any criticism and you can leave then on the comment section below, because I don't trade strictly like ICT, so you are welcome. I am going to explain the New York 10 AM Silver Bullet. The setup time is located between 10 AM to 11 AM New York time. Let's explain in my own way, using simple lines. First of all, we need to mark the liquidity levels on both sides, buy-side liquidity and sell-side liquidity. The price is preferred to be in the middle of this range. The next step is to mark the time window between 10 AM to 11 AM. The entry can be found sometimes a little early, so be flexible about that. Then you need to wait for price to take the buy-side or the sell-side liquidity. Then you need to wait for market structure shift and enter a sell trade on the edge of imbalance zone or so-called fair value gap. The same scenario for the opposite direction. We wait for sell-side liquidity to be taken. For extra confirmation, we wait for break of mini trend, the market structure shift, the classic reversal schematic, and then enter a buy trade at fair value gap. This is the best scenario that could happen with all confirmations. We have other variables for this entry type. We often see an aggressive buy liquidity sweep, so in this case price only creates an imbalance zone, not a clear market shift. The rule is the same. We must enter a fair value gap or so-called imbalance. The same situation for the sell-side liquidity. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, we must be flexible. Price might sweep the liquidity couple of minutes before 10 AM, and the silver bullet entry is still valid. Just the touch of fair value gap must be between 10 AM and 11 AM. So, in a nutshell, the shift in market structure direction has already happened, and we just need to enter on this specific time window. Now let's move on chart and apply these concepts that I have explained. This trade was shared on free Telegram channel this week. The pair is gold vs US dollar, 5-minute time frame. We are highlighting the buy-side liquidity. As we can see, the price took the liquidity and dropped in downside direction. This sharp move leave behind a fair value gap. We are highlighting the sell-side liquidity too. As we can see, we have a shift in market structure and price pull back towards imbalance zone. The perfect scenario according to silver bullet entry. As we can see, the all move completed couple of minutes before 10 AM. Now we have the same event in the opposite direction. The price took the sell side liquidity. We're shifting on 1-minute time frame in order to detect a market shift in upside direction. I am illustrating the structure that we are looking for with lines in order for you to understand better. We are waiting also for an imbalance zone to be created that will serve as our entry level. As we can see, we have a clear break of last lower high that confirms the shift in market structure. We shift again on 5 minutes time frame to identify a fair value gap. We notice two of them. We choose to trade the first one that is located between 0.5 and 0.618 Fibonacci levels. Price continued further in upside direction and touched a supply order block. We made some adjustments regarding to Fibonacci levels, and as we can notice, the imbalance zone correlate precisely with the 0.618 level. Price started to pull back and trigger our limit entry. The trade was shared on free Telegram channel. This was a beautiful trade. Price jumped right away into profit, and we didn't experience any drawdown. Let me illustrate once again the price with a simple line. The structure is very clear. Even if we choose to trade the first fair value gap, we could have had a profitable trade. I hope you have enjoyed the video till the end. We appreciate if you like and subscribe in order to encourage us to create more videos in the future.